Hey, my name is Sahar Tarighi. I'm from Kurdistan, Rojhelat. That would be Iranian Kurdistan. Şamaran is a Kurdish oral mythology passed down generation by generation. The very first time I saw the picture of Şamaran was hung on the wall of my neighbor's house. After a while, I saw some embroidered ones. But at that moment, I didn't have a lot of information about it. But after a while, talking with my mom, with my grandma, and other people, I got to know more about it. It stuck with me for a while. 2 years ago, I started doing some sketching and how I can create Şamaran in a 3D way, because technically it's 2D. So I'm a tangible person. I would love to, imagine everything in a 3D way. So I started to pulling it out of the middle of the fabric. So I used some sort of braiding process, doing some fabric casting and using clay, fabric, and all this sort of stuff that my mom, my grandma, and other Kurdish women for decades and years have been using these sort of materials. Braiding, it's always reminded me of my mom, that how my mom always, let's say whenever I went to go to school, she tried to make me ready and dressed up. That moment was really, to me, feeling super close to my mom, like sitting here and my mom was there. It was really a nice moment. I did wanted to emphasize on the process of braiding for being together and solidarity and as a community, as a unity. To me, the process of braiding is like showing how we can together create one piece. Even if your body is somewhere else, you can feel the pain happening all around the world. It's all about being together. Decades ago, the older generation, after losing someone important in our lives, the mother of families started cutting their hair, the braids, and sometimes leaving it close to the graveyard. I wanted to do something again for people who are sacrificing their lives for democracy and freedom. Each braids represent promise to their life that we continued your way for the equality and freedom all around the world.